Natural care, healthy fur para kay fur baby. Bigyan si fur baby ng tamang alaga gamit itong virgin coconut oil for pets. Safe, natural, at punong-puno ng nutrients. Ito ang perfect na partner for a shiny coat, healthy skin, at malakas na immune system. Pwede sa pagkain, pwede rin sa skin. All-around wellness in one bottle. Siguraduhin happy at healthy si fur baby inside and out. Kaya mga fur parents, go natural na. Bili na nitong virgin coconut oil for pets at gawing healthy at glowing si fur baby. Order na para sa healthy at happy na pets.